Hi, Lizzie. How are you today?
Hi, Diana.
I'm not bad, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too.
May I ask you some questions?
That's okay.
What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
What do you do after you get up?
After I get up, I do some exercises, I clean my house, I cook breakfast and I have a shower.
What time do you have breakfast?
And what do you have for breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6:30.
I have rice, fried chicken, soup and a glass of water.
What time do you go to school?
And what subjects do you study today?
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
Today I study Khmer, philosophies and English.
What time do you leave school?
I leave school at 11 o'clock.
What time do you have lunch?
And what do you have for lunch?
I have lunch at 11:30.
I have rice, fish soup, fried pork and some fruit.
What do you do after lunch?
Actually, after lunch I relax for 30 minutes.
What time do you have dinner?
And what do you have for dinner?
I have dinner at 7 o'clock.
For dinner I have rice and fish soup and some dessert.
What do you do after dinner?
After dinner I do homework, I read books, I listen to music and I watch TV.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
What do you like doing in your free time?
In my free time I like playing sport, listening to music, and watching movies.
Nice to talk with you, but it's time to go now.
Bye.
Nice to talk with you too.
Bye.
Thank you for watching channel, Sreyoun.
Please subscribe, like and share.